Boston 7 on the citywide, one call of a person shot, 7417 South Harvard, male shot laying on the ground in front. No further, 7 District Zone.
740, show me going to that.
10 forward.
Still there in the box.
3 David, 10-4.
Sam 2, put that in the box.
Can I copy?
702, Sam 2, can you put that in the box?
02 Sam 2, 10-4.
This one's from the box.
10-4.
What's that address?
7417 South Harvard. One call. Alright, getting a second call, 7422 Harvard. Male shot, he's laying in the street. Offender, dark vehicle with back window blown out. Unknown temp plate, sped away, northbound. Again, dark vehicle, back window blown out. Unknown temp, northbound.
702, Sam 2, it's going to be Homicide. I'll give you an address here in a second.
Alright, 10-4, Bonafide on 7-4 in Harvard.
7421 on Harvard.
7421 Harvard, out in front.
706 Charlie.
06 Charlie.
Yes, 706, roll this way.
What?
That's 706 to roll this way.
706.
06 on.
Alright, fourth call. There was a drive-by male with shot bleeding from the nose. Shots came from a black car.
702 Sam 2, he's unresponsive. I have an ID number for you for the victim.
Good.
It'll be Frank 432018953666. That's for the victim.
10-4.
740, could I get some people down here on the south end of the block? We got some people running up.
A couple more cars to the south end of the block towards 7-5. South end of the block, people running up.
02
Sam 2.
Be 1 GSW to the head. If you need, you can put a 041 Atom on the box right now, but it's probably going to get upgraded.
I don't even have a paper car. Hold on. Or are you doing the paper?
We'll wait for a paper car.
Alright, I got sergeant's tagged and only B cars on it are on traffic control, so if someone shows up that I don't know about. 02 Sam 2, can I tell you something real quick about when I ran the deal?
Go ahead.
Just FYI, for what it's worth, a revoked and convicted gun offender that is a couple years overdue.
735.
735.
Give the Hermit job one call, give the damage job a 19 call, and then we'll head over for the paper out in Harvard.
Okay, 35, I'm going to throw the 041 Atom on here so I can start notifications when or if it changes. Holler. For Harvard, 7421 South Harvard is the address they're using, JC 186971, 186971, event 14229, 14229 with 735 on the paper.